how to pair the thermostat and the radiator. The thermostat can control up to 5 radiators at the same time. Please check that the thermostat is turned on. The off icon must not appear on the screen.
To make the thermostat search and pair for one or more heaters, press the on-off key for several seconds until the words "Find Rad" and the number 0 appears on the screen.
Now turn on the radiator or radiators you want to link by pressing the switches located on the right side of each device.
The number on the screen will change gradually from position 0 to 1.
The linking process will take 60 seconds.
If the connection succeeds, the screen will show the number of heaters paired from 1 to 5 depending on the number of heaters that have paired.